Hi everyone, this is Francisco from Renewable Energies of Wadi. Today I want to explain the tutorial of SolidWorks is the analysis of a basketball ring, and this is the one. Okay, first of all, we need to make the bolts. So we have the context or the characteristic of the bolts. For example, the diameter of the top of the bolt. We have the preload, the Young module, and the Poisson coefficient, like in this table. So after make the bolts, you can select the first one, second, and third, and the fourth. You need to be careful with select the correct holes for make the bolts. After make the bolts, you need to be sure about the static parts and the part of the forces. So let me explain more about this. Okay, this is the static part. This one you can see is in this part with the static. And after that, you can make the force and the ring like this. You can select the plane. In my case, I choose the top plane. I put 250 libras in this part. You can check. And other very important section is the mesh. You need to select or create a mesh for make the simulation, or just like me, for example, use the mesh recommended from SolidWorks. It's like this. And after that, you need to run the simulation. Okay, so these are the results. The tension result. You can check the tension and all the parts and a lot of colors, like with the results, like this one. Okay. Also, it is the displacement result, like this one. Also, you have the specification of the result with every single color, and obviously in the point of the force, you have the more forces, right? Other result of this simulation is the unit deformation, like this. You can check the animation of the simulation. It's very, very simple. And the most important part of the results are this one. You can check the connector forces of the bolts. You can select every single, like the first one, and you have the results of this. of this bolt. Fuerza cortante, axial force. Okay, this is for the first one. Second, those are the results. For the third, and the fourth. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. It's very simple. This kind of tutorial help us to static analysis. So you can try to use other kind of materials. For our case, this one was alloy steel, but you can try wood or something like that, and different kind of forms like a table. You can check the static analysis from maybe other kind of balls, or maybe assembles parts. It's very, very useful. Thank you for watching. If you have some questions, you can put it in the YouTube video. Thanks for watching.